just a time. Look into your eyes.
Hey loves, we're going to start with this L'Oreal 30 Volume Cream Developer and High Color Highlights in the color Copper. We're using 3 boxes. So we're going to add all 3 tubes here. And we are going to give that a good stir. Don't try this at home if you are not confident or you don't feel comfortable doing your own. And also my locks are interlocked from the root, and my starter locks are 5 weeks old. So anyway, you see it's nice and creamy. We used the full bottle of that developer, the 30 volume. Hey, it's your girl LAL here. We're just about to go ahead and throw in another glove because we don't want to mess up our nails or stain our hands. The goal here is to concentrate on the roots. As you can see, the roots are darker. They are not 100% like black. My hair is not black. My natural hair ain't even black. But yeah. So anywho, y'all, I'm going to concentrate on applying to my roots. We'll just let this creamy color sink into the roots since they're darker. And then from there, we will go on and kind of spread the color all over my little starter lock twist, just to make sure that everything is saturated. And that is why I used all 3 boxes, all 3 tubes. So, and I also used the full bottle of developer, 30 volume developer. But yeah, I am using this brush, the tinting brush. I find it helpful when focusing on the roots, and like I said, that's the first area that I know I need to focus on. So yeah, we just gonna go through here. I'll let y'all kind of like vibe to the music for a little bit, but we're gonna get these roots in, and then we're gonna hit up all the rest of the locks, give them a little bit of copper love too. You heard me?
You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? That I'm just being me. Sometimes we're just colliding, and we keep on fighting. But we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you weak. No. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here, don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh baby, please. Even if we don't agree, I know you care, 'cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. You don't question my love, you know it's there. And even if we don't agree, you know I care, 'cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. It's you and me, unconditional love. You and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love.
We're going to go ahead and take the remainder of this color and we are going to saturate all of our little starter locks with the remaining color that we have in the bowl. So we want to make sure that all the locks get a little love. So you want to make sure that you go through and coat each lock from root to tip all the way to the ends and kind of work that color through. I'm not a professional by all means, y'all, but I have had my little share of practice, you know. Y'all may not know this about me, but years ago when I went to high school, I went to a vocational school and I got to take cosmetology 1 and 2 in my junior and senior year. And so, yeah, I did pretty much everything cosmetology related in the program and earned certificates. And the only thing that I pretty much ended up kind of surprising myself with, I keep up with my makeup artistry certifications, but none of the other stuff. I didn't really want to do hair and be licensed to do hair and all that stuff. I just kind of got into wig wearing. But yeah, we would put a bag on there. We're going to leave this on for 30 minutes. Oh, I'm about to hop in the shower and shampoo with this L'Oreal Everpure. It is a purple toning shampoo. And yeah, so here's the grand reveal. Yeah, ta-da! Y'all, your girl is crazy like that, so I'm loving it. Do y'all see how bright this is? Yeah, Ronald McDonald in his house. No, I'm just playing. All right, y'all, I got this Tropical Roots Firm Locking Gel right here. So I'm gonna try the retwisting and see how your girl likes that. Smells good. So we're gonna roll it. and it's still slightly damp. This is week 5. I told y'all before I was planning to do my retwist on week 6. However, I did realize that some of my starter locks had at least an inch of new growth, and I didn't want to keep prolonging it. So I decided to go ahead and, do my color and do my retwist now so that it would be done. You heard me? We got to get it popping, So we getting it done, making it do what it do. I'm just twisting to the left and clipping them down with the clamps, y'all. And not palm rolling. Just want to focus on the roots being nice and neat. And allow the rest of the starter locks to mature as they want to, So I'm not going to go down too far with the twisting. Just, maybe about an inch and a half. About an inch and a half down, I'd say. Yeah, just to be on the safe side. All right, now the time has come. Time to sit under the dryer. Y'all, we about to go in there and get heated up like an oven. That's how the sun feel out here in Vegas, like a hot oven. But we about to go sit under this dryer. This is my baby. I didn't have her for a minute, y'all. This is a Tourmaline, I believe a Hot Tools hairdryer I got from Amazon years ago, but I think they still sell it. But we're going to hop on under here real quick. Well, not quick at all. We about to roast like a turkey. We got some little chips to snack on, and we ready, child. Looking all happy. Uh-oh, y'all. Here I go. And I'm just playing, but this the finished look. So hopefully y'all like it. No flaking. I am really liking the tropical roots gel that I used. So okay, y'all. Bye.